Welcome back. Joining us now in the studio is another batch of incoming PBA rookies, former LPU Pirate Jesper Ayay and former UP Fighting Maroon Kyles Lau. Hello guys and congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Unahin kita, Jesper. 9th pick overall, first round for the Alaska Aces. At hindi mo alam na kukunin ka ng Alaska. Wala kang kamuwang-muwang.
Wala akong idea.
Wala kang idea. So nakupo ka doon, so, naghihintay ka sa loob ng tent. And siguro, I don't know, honestly, ikaw ba'y naasahan mo first round makukuha ka? Hindi. So maybe
wala akong
second round, third round. Basta, per time makuha ka lang. So anong naramdaman mo nung narinig mo, Jesper Ayay?
Yung narinig ko yung pangalan ko, hindi pa ako naniniwala. Tapos tinignan ko dun sa screen na pangalan ko pala yun. Tapos bigla akong kinabahan na. Kasi nung nagsimula na, hindi ako kinakabahan. Parang relax na relax ako. Tapos cool lang ako. Nakipagkwentuhan ako sa kanila. Yung tinawag na yung pangalan ko, hindi ako makapaniwala na nasa first round pala ako. Tapos Alaska pa yung kumuha sa akin.
Si Coach Alex Compton pa yung tumawag sa'yo. Di ba? Bigat. Anong sabi ng mga katabi mo?
Ikaw na Ayay. Sabi sa akin, parang mali pa nga yung pronunciation nila. Ayay pa eh. Sabi, Ayay, ikaw na. Totoo ba ako ba? Kasi nagbibiruan lang kami dun sa loob eh. Parang hindi ko talaga na-expect na ako tatawagin ako sa first round tapos Alaska pa yung...
Sino yung katabi mo dun sa tent?
Si Joe, yung player ng FEU sa Trinidad.
Si Trinidad,
na parang nagkikwentuhan lang kami, nagbibiruan. Kasi nakalimutan ni yung charger ni Tratter na sa akin, parang binigay ko. Parang nagbibiruan lang kami dun sa loob eh. Tapos nung tinawag yung pangalan ko, wala akong idea na, ala, ako pala yun.
Well, hindi lang naman ikaw nagulat. Maraming nagulat na tinawag yung pangalan mo. So, ano yung pakiramdam na yung lalabas ka, tapos kukuha ka ng camera, and then naakit ka sa stage?
Sobrang saya ko nun. Parang kinakabahan nga ako. Akit ako sa stage.
Matisod.
Iniisip ko kung anong sasabihin ko, anong gagawin ko, paano ako maglakad. Sobrang saya nun. Blessed na blessed ako nun.
Blessed na blessed. Blessed ka talaga kasi personal pa lang, kinuha ka na eh. Now, of course, our other guest, Kyles Lau, you were picked in the third round, so you had to wait a little longer. Longer than you may have wanted. Pero, ano ba expectations mo going into the draft?
Well, of course, syempre, mas gusto kong madraft eh. Yun na may important sa akin. I mean, if it's the first round, second round, third round, I didn't mind what round I was in. So, the important thing was being drafted and getting a chance, a shot in the PBA.
So, just like Jesper, you were in the tent, you were waiting along with everyone else. Can you share with people ano pakiramdam nung naghihintay ka?
Sobrang nerve-wracking experience eh. Lalo na yung tent namin kasi first round walang natawag eh. So nakailang balasa kami, yung mga players baka kung sino swerte, sino mauna. So parang syempre yung nerves get into you na there might be a possibility that you won't get drafted or teams won't give you a chance. Siguro it comes with the experience of ito na talaga yung future na look forward mo eh. And then the pressure of what if hindi mapunta sa'yo.
And that's I would like for you to expound on that. So nung first round, hindi natawag pangalan mo. Second round, you still didn't hear your name. What was going through your head nung second round, hindi mo pa rin narinig yung Kyles Lau?
Of course, doubt. Of course, that's the first thing that that really stuck into my head. Na the decisions I've made, the decisions I've made for my basketball career during college, or the things that I've done, I thought na maybe it wasn't enough. But then, yun nga, fortunately, during the third round, Coach Yeng and yung NLEX group gave me a shot na they called my name and drafted me.
And so how did it feel nung narinig mo na yung pangalan mo?
Of course, yung sigh of relief na sa wakas na validation of not only yung hard work and the things that I sacrificed for, siguro validation rin of the decisions na at some point, tama rin naman.
Si Jesper, ikaw naman, while waiting, Nakakuha ba kayo ng mga, nasa inyo ba yung phones nyo at nakakuha kayo ng mga messages from teammates, coaches, ganyan? Ano yung mga nakukuha mong message?
Wala ako natatanggap nun. Ang natanggap ko lang yung message ng mama ko.
Ano sabi nung mama mo sa'yo?
Pray lang tayo. Nandiyan ka na. Matatawag ka dyan.
Daya mo eh. Hindi ka pa tapos magdasal, tinawag ka na kagad nung Alaska eh.
Pero wala talaga akong idea sa mga coaches ko, sa mga kila Coach Topex.
Hindi ka tinext si Coach Topex. Oh, Jesper, ito na, kukunin ka ng Alaska, maganda ka na.
Wala akong idea talaga nun.
Pati yata siya nagulat eh. How about you, Kyles? What messages were you getting while waiting?
During the start, syempre, good luck and yung yun nga, as Jasper said, yung pray and leave it to God. Pero ang nakakatawa nga is as the rounds go by, parami yung text na parang kaya yan, madadraft ka niyan.
So nakikita mo, binabasa mo lahat yun?
Nababasa ko lahat eh. So parang it adds to the pressure na parang, bakit ganun? So yun, parang paminsan nung at some point nga nung second round, parang sinilent ko na lang para hindi ko natignan. Para, parang focus na lang dun sa and just dun nga, pray to God na mabigay sa akin yung chance na yun.
Okay, now how do you make sure that one, you get a spot in the PBA and two, you have a solid, successful PBA career?
Of course, the hard work. For me kasi, with the NLEX team, it's Coach Yeng. So, he's really known for developing players na not yung medyo underdog players, and really he really looks at work ethic. So parang no matter who you are, no matter what college you played for, ang para sa kanya, everyone has a shot for his system. So yun nga, work hard and show him na hindi ka na natakot. Yun nga, I've been up, I've been down for a lot of times in my career. So, I also believed kasi na yung puhunan mo sa buhay is really hard work lang talaga. So, eventually, at the end of the day, I hope that everything will be worth it.
Ikaw, Jesper, ano ang kailangan mong gawin para maliban sa pagiging first round pick, maging successful PBA player ka?
Kailangan ko lang i-grab yung opportunity na to, tapos kailangan ko mas pagtrabahuan pa talaga to, and trabaho pa, double effort, yun lang.
Ready ka na ba kausapin si Coach Alex na magaling na mag-Tagalog yun eh, pero...
Tagalog.
Ayan, Tagalogin mo na lang, marunong magaling mag-Tagalog yun. Okay, we'll take a short break. Kyles and Jesper will still be here, and we'll take a look back at the best highlights from UAP Season 81, so stay with us.